So back in the day when I was preparing for GATE, which is the Graduate Aptitude Test in Engineering, this was in 2019-2020, I was obviously struggling. I was facing my fair amount of challenges because it is a difficult exam. You have like 12 subjects with a really vast portion, and you have to do that alongside your college. So you generally start preparing for it in your third year or your fourth year. So you have to manage your college के सारे studies, college के subjects, वहाँ के labs, assignments, practicals, everything. And also in fourth year you have your main project. So alongside that you're preparing for GATE and you're sitting for the exam. So there are obviously going to be a lot of distractions in terms of whatever is happening around you. Plus I live with a big family. That time when it was, you know what happened in 2020. So at that time literally everybody used to be home sitting on top of me. So it is very difficult to manage distractions in such environments and when you're already busy with so many other things. वैसे तो जो एक्सटर्नल डिस्ट्रैक्शंस होते हैं उनसे डील करने के लिए देयर आर सो मेनी रिसोर्सेज आउट देयर. देयर माइट एटलीस्ट बी 100 videos if not in thousands made about how to deal with distractions when you're studying. जैसे कि tell your parents that you're studying and tell them not to call you or tell them not to disturb you, lock the room, and when you're sitting then you should be sitting facing the wall and don't sit facing the window because something outside the window will distract you, or don't sit facing the people because the people will distract you. Turn off your phone, turn off your notifications, ye karo wo karo. There is a big list of things that you can do to prevent all of these external distractions. So जब मैं पढ़ाई करने बैठती थी, the same thing used to happen. I used to watch all of these videos and I used to sit for studying कि अच्छा ठीक है अभी ये सारे external distractions का I've taken care of it. I used to have like this big checklist कि अच्छा मम्मी को बोला डिस्टर्ब मत करो, पापा को बोला डिस्टर्ब मत करो, फ़ोन के नोटिफिकेशन बंद कर दिए, ये किया वो किया, साइलेंट पे किया. So whatever it is, I used to deal with all of that. I used to finally sit for studying, and after that the biggest distraction of all that I had completely missed up till this point would just make its presence known, and that was my own brain. So just as you have started studying, 5 minutes in your brain will be like अरे सानिका वो चीज़ करनी थी, that you will forget, so just do that immediately right now, like that is really really important. And that thing will be like some stupid thing कि अच्छा ठीक है ये पेन खरीदना है वगैरह वगैरह, or it will start to just take some mental quiz of you कि अरे ये जो मूवी है उसका जो ये डायरेक्टर था उसका नाम क्या था, नाम and then you just keep thinking about it, and then your brain just has its way that it somehow is able to convince you कि भाई ये चीज़ whatever thought you're having are the most important thoughts right now and you need to act on it. So before you know it, you have gone on Google, you're typing out the film name and you're like okay वो था इसका director or whatever it is, and you don't even know, and now you have fallen in the loop जहाँ पे you're just browsing the internet and it's been like 2 hours or something. So I don't know if this thing is at all relatable to any of you or not, but I'm just sharing from my personal experience. ये चीज़ मेरे साथ काफ़ी होती थी, but then thankfully I figured out a way out of it. The thing is that our brains, they don't really like to do the difficult work, they don't like the challenging work, or ultimately they end up liking it in retrospective. But as you're starting something, if your brain is already dreading it, if your brain is like यार नहीं करते, नहीं करना, तो your brain will try to manipulate you into doing something else which is very easy for them. And आजकल के ज़माने में because we are just used to phones and internet and scrolling and just easy fixes of dopamine, this has become even more of a challenge. So you just have to be aware about when your brain is doing this to you and not fall for its trap. So I figured out a easy solution for myself कि when my brain is playing such games with me, how do I combat it or how do I fight against it? And the answer is that you do not fight it. So just let me explain. Whenever I used to sit for studying, I used to keep a notepad with me or like a sticky notes bundle, या फिर if I'm on my laptop, I used to use the sticky notes app on the laptop. And what I would do every time my brain would throw a new distraction at me is कि I would just make a note of it. I would just write it down. अच्छा ठीक है ये अपॉइंटमेंट लेने हैं, I'll just write it कि ये स्टडी सेशन होने दो, I'll take that appointment. इस डायरेक्टर का नाम भूल गए ना, I'll make a note of it. स्टडी सेशन होने दो, उसके बाद I'll go on Google and I will research about that director. उसकी पूरी विकिपीडिया पेज पढ़ दूंगी, लेकिन अभी नहीं. So I would just make a note of whatever thoughts my brain is throwing at me during the study sessions. That way I am not saying no, I'm just saying not now, which is a way easier thing to do than just saying no. And most of the times after my study session is done, I would just go over the list, and 90% used to be the stupidest thing ever in the world. कि what does it matter कि इसका डायरेक्टर कौन था, ये क्या था, वो क्या था, इस सॉन्ग का ये लिरिक क्या था. It really does not matter. But whatever your brain is throwing at you, you need to catch it, and this is how you catch it. And after you have written it down, your brain will stop hounding you with at least that particular distraction. It will distract you in some other ways, but in not this particular way. And hopefully over time you'll get so used to this process, your brain itself will start to calm down and it will not be as distracting for you, and you can have a peaceful study session.